Hey guys, welcome to Tech Vitals. Today we are going to learn about F strings in Python. So in the previous video we learned about strings, and in the end of the video we concatenated the string and integer value together using this dot format function, and I mentioned that this dot format function to concatenate integer and string is the old way. So if you are using the Python version 3.6 or above, we have F strings available in Python, which makes it very easy to access the values of the variable. So let's try to print this same thing using the F string. So we use print, and then inside print we use this F and quotes. Now we can type my name is, and here we are using this plus to concatenate, but inside F string we can just use this curly braces, and inside the curly braces we can give the name of the variable that we want to use. So name, and then I live in. Again, instead of using that plus sign to concatenate, we can use this curly braces and then give the name of the variable. Then I am, occupation, and my number is phone. So if you compare these two lines, then this one looks more efficient and more readable, and if you take a look at this one, it's a bit confusing and a bit unmanaged. So F string is the great way to access the variable values. So if we print this, then as you can see, both are printing the same thing, but the second one using the F string is much cleaner and much more readable and easier to write as well. So to use F string, we just use this F keyword, and then we give this quotes. It can be either double quotes or single quotes. Then we can type anything, and if you want to access the variable values, then we simply put the name of that variable value inside a curly braces, and it will take, or it will access the value of that particular variable. So that's it. It's really easy to use F string, and to use F string, make sure that you are using the Python version 3.6 or above. So that's gonna do it for this video. I'll see you soon with the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.